Hi. So today we'll discuss about what is a pipeline, how to create it, and how to manage it. So, in order to go into the pipeline, the first thing that we need to do is we need to log into our admin credentials. Once we log into our admin credentials, the first screen that we come across is this screen. This is the dashboard that we call. Over here, we'll get the complete overview of our account, that what is exactly happening, along with all the summary analysis and all the shortcut keys as well. Now we need to understand that what is a pipeline. So basically, whenever we put the leads, we upload the leads in a folder. So in folder, we usually term it as campaign in NeoDove. So the campaigns, there might be different purposes for a person, right? So for different purposes, there should be different campaign categories, or there should be different pipelines for it, and each pipelines will be holding different types of lead journey. So accordingly, what will happen is if we create a pipeline with a particular lead journey for one purpose, and whatever the folder and whatever the data will get it, we'll keep on putting it in that same pipeline. So let's say in my business, there are two purposes. One is for sales, another one is for support. So obviously, the lead journey for sales will be different from the lead journey in support. For sales, what I'll do is for sales, I'll create a pipeline. And for sales, whatever the data I'll keep on getting it month by month, I'll do one thing. I'll keep on creating different campaigns which will hold different data. So I'll be able to understand that yeah, this much data is in this folder, that data is in that folder. But all this data are solely for sales. So for one purpose, and for sales, I'll create a particular lead journey also, the stages and tags, how the lead will perform, how the lead will flow towards the conversion. And in the support, obviously the lead journey will be different. And for support, whatever the leads will get after conversion, whatever the leads will get, we'll keep on adding it in the campaigns under the support pipeline. So this is how we segregate the leads into different campaigns, and different campaigns under different purposes under different pipelines. So this is how the pipeline works. So now I'll show you how to create a pipeline. So initially what we need to do is, initially either we can go to manage users or you can go to settings. So it's better you go to settings over here. Once we go to settings, over here we can see there's a pipelines at the top, users, preference and pipelines. We need to click on this pipelines. Once we click on this pipelines, we can see whatever the existing pipelines are there, select pipeline, their existing pipelines are already there. Okay. If in case we select any of the existing pipelines, we can see, so let's say I'll select sales. So the lead journey for sales, the default lead journey for sales is already been over here. As we can see, open, in progress, converted, lost. Okay. Now, if you want to like simply edit this particular, customize the stages and tags, what we can do is we can simply like click on this add button. If you want that after open, we want to create a stage, we can just simply click on add. We can just add any of the stage, or else if we want that after in progress we want to add a stage, then just in the plus button we'll click it on, and I'll select it as interested. I'll click on create. We can see the stages has been created, and in any of the stage if you want to add tags, so in the right hand side we can see in the stage name just below there is the tags name as well. So we can just add any of the tags from here. So interested, I'll just add two tags. I'll see randomly for that. Demo schedule, press enter. Demo attended, press enter. So that means under the interested stage, there are two tags that have been added: demo schedule and demo attended. We need to just put it off and press enter. Automatically, it will get added. And then we need to click on save to get it saved. Done. Now, this is how we can create, and we can just customize the stages and tags by creating it or by deleting it or by removing it, whatever we want. Even the stage name also, if you want, we can edit it from here on the right hand side itself. We can go to any of the stage. On the right hand side, there's a stage option. We can just edit it off, or we can simply edit it off, and whatever the stage we want, we can do it. Even the pipeline name that we can see, select pipeline sales, just right hand side to it, there's an edit button. If in case we want to like edit the pipeline name also, that also we can do it. From sales we can do anything, like sales 2, I'll select it as update. See, the pipeline name gets changed to sales 2. So I'll again rechange it to sales itself. Even for this particular pipeline, whatever we want, basically like whatever the color we want, we can just put it over here. Like in the select color, we can just change any of the color, whatever color we want, and then we can simply click on update. Then the particular color of the pipeline and the name of the pipeline will also get updated, whatever we want to. So this is how we can change the name of the pipeline or edit the name of the pipeline. In the pipeline, we can set up the stages and tags as per our business model, or whatever the business model we are having, and as per the stages and tags, how the lead journey will flow. As per that, we can simply customize the stages and tags one after another, and then uh, in any of the stages. So let's say I'll select open. In open, we can see there's an additional setting. Right hand side, stage name, tags, and this additional setting. If we just click on it, there's a transition. That means if a lead is in open stage, if we call and then when we try to dispose, what are the other stages should be visible to it, to the users to dispose. So from an open stage, a lead can travel to any of the stages: in progress, interested, converted, lost. So that's why all the stages are been visible over here, are been enabled, so that it will be visible to the users to dispose. But if we go to in progress from the left hand side, and we can see additional setting, transition, interested, converted, and lost. These three options are enabled, but open is not enabled. Why? Because the lead, if we have already called a lead, if that lead has already got into in progress, so obviously from in progress the lead can't travel to a open stage. It can't become a fresh lead, correct? Because the leads will always go to a forward direction. So that's why if a lead already has been called, it's in progress. From there, it can't go to open, but it can go to interested, converted, and lost. So this is how we can set up the transition as well. That after which stage, what are the stages should be visible, and how the lead journey will flow. And even if you just click on interested, from interested it can go to either converted and lost. It won't go to in progress or open because the lead can't go backward. And then we'll click on save. It will get saved. And for converted and lost, these two are the ultimate stages. Whenever we update a lead as converted and lost, that means the lead will get closed. Simple. Okay. And this is for the existing pipeline that I've told you. The same way we need to do it for a new pipeline also if you want to create it. So let's say here in my account already 5 pipelines were there. So if you want to create a new pipeline, then what we need to do, in the right hand side we need to create a new pipeline, and over here we can just put a name, choose the color, and create it. So and then after that the same process, how to set up the stages and tags, the customize the stages and tags and the transition as per our business model. And then what we do, then in the left hand side, if we click on pipeline, that particular new pipeline will get added. Then simply we can just simply go to that particular pipeline, and under that pipeline, if you want to create a campaign, we can select on the top create campaign. Then after that, we can just go with the campaign creation and the engagement form. Then automatically those particular campaigns will fall under that particular pipeline. And even whenever we want to manage it or edit some stages and tags or customize the settings, what we can do, we can just simply come to that particular pipeline, and at the top we can just simply click on manage pipelines. Then automatically it will take us to that pipeline settings itself, and stages, tags, transition, whatever setup we want to do. If we want to edit any of the things, we can do it from here. And after any of the edition, we need to click on save to get it saved. That's all. That is how we can add, customize, and manage the pipelines. Thank you.